test drive the 2017 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and Push-Button Ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, remote trunk release, dual exhaust, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.